This pledge is based in universal values, and it belongs to the global family of humanity. The Peace Pledge, to live loving kindness and compassion. The journey of life is a pilgrimage. Beautiful qualities are a compass. Intending to advance peace and harmony in our personal lives and in the world, we affirm the following. We commit to treat all lives with loving kindness and compassion. We reject the distortions of religious, national, and racial prejudices which are used to violate the golden rule, to treat others as we wish to be treated. We respect the diversity of ways people pursue their individual ideas. We challenge the misuse of beliefs, rites, rituals, practices, philosophies, and traditions used to degrade anyone, of which lead to violence. We affirm the necessity of bringing loving kindness and compassion into action. Through such actions, we seek to improve relationships of people, one nation to another, one religion to another, one belief system to another, one gender to another, and one race to another, and one person to another. We call upon all people of goodwill to join this pledge. We pledge that in all we intend, think, and do, we shall strive to bring loving kindness and compassion into action and into all